Any tips for someone wanting to install B9 head studs in the garage? LOL. Any mission critical tools other than timing set? I haven't personally done it. We have some really good techs here that
Yeah, I mean
have all
there
that fun.
are there are some because it's long Torx or Torx Plus. I can't remember off the top of my head.
Yeah.
Stock bolts. You're gonna need the tooling for that. That's not necessarily something that everybody's got in their toolbox. Obviously, the timing alignment tools are mission critical. You will need those for the B9's motor.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, lots of time, lots of space.
Yeah, if you're gonna do it yourself, we've done them with the heads in the car. I don't know if it was any quicker.
Yeah, I think it worked out to be a wash. It was a lot more cumbersome to do it with it in the car.
Well, and here's the real issue: is you really want to go to 11 mil. That's what we found. We did sell and support some 10 mil head studs for a while for the B9S4, and found that those still didn't provide enough clamping force over the factory head bolts to prevent head gasket failure due to the heads lifting. So after almost 2 years of testing, 11 mil head studs, we can confidently say 11 mil head studs do not allow head lifting. And we did just recently release a line of studs for the B8 and B9 motors. So we released B8 and B9 head studs, as well as main studs. So what we have here featured is these are the 10 millimeter B8 main studs. The 10 mil main studs are the right size. And then these are the B9 main studs. I want to show you guys the 11 mil head studs. We're really proud of these. These turned out really nice. These are made by 034 Motorsport. Now, we don't have a stud manufacturing facility here at 034. Either do any of our competitors. So we do work with a manufacturer to manufacture these to our specifications. However, this is a 034 Motorsport product. These are manufactured from tool steel, so this is the same thing that a drill bit or a tool would be made out of. It's a very hard, high tensile strength steel. And we also, in addition to working with a very reputable manufacturer who supplies the correct tool steel material, we have a third-party lab verification, and I believe we list that on the website, confirming the tensile strength of these studs. So you know what you're getting is the real deal, and it's a quality unit. This isn't just some crappy thing that you'd buy off eBay and have no idea what you're getting. We have verified this ourselves, and the reason we go to that length is because this is a mission critical item. We've seen studs like this break and snap once torqued. And imagine driving down the road and having a head stud snap inside your motor. Now you have to yank the whole thing back apart. Not to mention it could result in a blown head gasket, or even worse, an engine failure. So we take the manufacturing and specification of these seriously. They come with all the studs you need. Now keep in mind you're gonna have to drill your head and re-tap your block to 11 mil threads. The factory is 10 mil. And it also comes with high quality washers and nuts. All the nuts you need to install these, and torque specifications and everything else. So, and we also include the grease you need to lubricate the threads and the nuts and washers to make sure that you achieve the proper torque. So that's everything you need. These are in stock, ready to ship. Let us know if you have any questions, but we've been running these in our motors now for a while, and are really happy to offer them to the market as well, as a really quality, verified, proven good quality option. All right. Yeah, we got the mission critical tools.
Yep.
Yeah, the big thing when you're doing head studs also just to make sure you have all the gaskets and O-rings and things you need to seal everything back up. We also offer Cometic head gaskets that are made to our specifications. The factory ones are good too. All right. All right, we got, what, 10 minutes left.
What do we got?
Is there any recommendations you have for replacing the rear bump stops on my B9S4? I'm lowered on 034 lowering springs and have active dampers. Well, you should get our density line bump stops. Maybe you didn't know that we have those, but we do have properly designed, engineered, and manufactured bump stops for our 034 lowering springs. Available on our website. Just go check it out. They're really cheap, and that's the right part for the job. Are your head studs better than or as good as ARP? Do your head studs come with that drill tap set? I don't know the specifications of the ARP studs. I'm not even sure what ARP offers. If they had a great off the shelf option, I'm sure we would have just offered that. So we did make our own to get a good high quality stud option on the market beyond what's already available. And I'm not aware that ARP has anything for the EA839 application. Right. What was the second part of that question?
Oh, do your headsets come with a
drill and tap?
Oh, we do not offer the drill and tap set. You're just going to need a M11 by 1.5 bottoming tap set. It's available on Amazon. You can also, get them a little bit longer too. The threads are really deep in the block, as you can see here. This is actually the block side threads here, and they're recessed down in the block. So you're going to need a tap to really get in there. Maybe we need to, if it's not, is it listed on the product page what tap is required? If not, we should have engineering give us the specs on what tap to buy, just so people have that. We are also talking about releasing a toolkit for modifying your block for M11 studs. It's not an easy job. It's not for the faint of heart. So in general, we would recommend having a reputable machine shop do that modification for you. But if you want to do it yourself, I think we do have a kit that we're working on offering. But engineering's feedback was it's not for everybody. It's a pretty big, tough job. We've done them here, and not for everybody.